So I get it. This problem looks a little scary. That fraction, yuck. So let's try and get x by itself. We're going to do it two different ways. We need to get rid of anything that's on the left side of the equal sign except the x. That means the 2 and the 4 are the things that are stopping us. So let's begin just like we started with the other problem. Cover up what's connected with the x. I don't want to look at it yet. If there's an x, divide by 2 or times 2 or whatever, cover it up somehow. Okay, undo the plus 4, inverse operation. Take away 4 from both sides. The opposite of plus 4 is minus 4. It cancels out. 10 take away 4 is 6. So far, so good. Now let's look underneath that scary block. Rewrite what you see under the block or whatever you were trying not to look at. Don't skip that step. It's important. This means x divided by 2. What is the opposite or inverse operation of divide? It is multiply. So I am going to multiply both sides by 2. Remember, a fraction is a division problem. So when I multiply both sides by 2, 6 times 2 is 12. And on this part, just trust me. When you see a 2 on the top and a 2 diagonally down from it, just cross them out. They can cancel out. Both are going to just equal 1, so we don't have to worry about it. 2 at the top, 2 at the bottom diagonally cancel out. All we have left is x. So we're going to rewrite just that x. The 2's are going to cancel out. Just trust me on this. X is by itself, x equals 12. Now for all of you who are struggling with doing it this way, by looking at the fraction, saying, it still makes me confused. Let's look at it one more different way. So if you were fine with the rest of it, just stop the video. But if you want to see a little bit maybe of a different way to do it, keep watching. We're still going to start the same way. We're going to subtract 4 from both sides. 4 is crossed out. 10 take away 4 is 6. Now I'm going to rewrite what's underneath that block in just a little bit of a different way. Since x, the fraction line, means x divided by 2, I'm going to write it in more friendly terms with the division sign. X divided by 2. Now I can look at it and say, oh, what's the opposite or inverse of divide by 2? It's multiply. I'm going to write multiply times 2 on that side